A client is in cardiogenic shock after a myocardial infarction, MI. Which of the following is a correctly stated nursing diagnosis for this client? 1. Activity intolerance related to impaired oxygen transport. 2. Altered tissue perfusion related to decreased heart pumping action. 3. Altered cardiac output related to cardiac ischemia. 4. Potential fluid volume deficit related to decreased intake. Let's go over this question together. Step 1. Read the question carefully. Look for key words. Step 2. Reword the question in your own words. Step 3. Understand what it is asking. It is asking which of the following is a correctly stated nursing diagnosis for this client. Which diagnosis directly relates to cardiogenic shock after a myocardial infarction? Step 4. Read each answer carefully. Step 5. Eliminate at least 2 wrong answers. Step 6. Reread and compare your last 2 answers. Which answer is the best answer? Step 7. Make a decision. Now let's see if you got the answer correct. The correct answer is 2. Altered tissue perfusion related to decreased heart pumping action. If you want to practice more test-taking strategies for your NCLEX exam, then click on the link below in the description. You'll land on a page where you can enter your details to get instant access to a free online test bank. Consistently practicing test-taking techniques is one of the best ways to pass the NCLEX on your first try. It's time to become a registered nurse. Click on the link below now.